How to increase Wi-Fi speed on Android. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open your phone settings. Scroll down to Wi-Fi and click on it. Click on the arrow of your Wi-Fi. Click on IP settings and then select static. Once you do that, you'll see DNS1 and DNS2. So make sure to set it to Google DNS. So in DNS1, type 8.8.8.8 and in DNS2, type 8.8.4.4 and then click on the tick mark at the top. Once you do this, come back to your main settings and click on Additional Settings. Select Developer Options and you'll see the option of Wi-Fi Scan Throttling. Make sure that that option is turned on. Once you do this, restart your phone and then restart your router. So this is how to increase Wi-Fi speed on Android. Thanks for watching till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.